Alright, so concept 4 will be finding a term that is independent of x. Basically, concept 4 and concept 3 is the same, just that we are still using the general term to help us. Okay, so what do I mean by the term independent of x? So if you see this word independent means does not depend on, right? Okay, so the term independent of x means constant. Just any number lah, or anything that do not have the x term. Okay, anything does not have x term. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we have this expansion, right? 2x minus 1 over x bracket to the power of 10. So how do I know what is the term that is independent of x? Very simple. Same thing, we find what is our error. Okay, so 2x minus 1 over x bracket to the power of 10. So 10, choose error. Okay, you bracket 2x, okay, and then bracket minus 1 over x bracket. So for the blue is just r, and for the green is just 10 minus r. Okay, so this let me just manipulate a bit more. So move everything that is the constant to the side first, then choose r, then here is 2, 10 minus r, then here is just minus 1 over to the power of r. Then after that, put in your x term. So x 10 minus r, okay, then the blue color is just make it into 1 over x, right? Make it into indices. So x minus 1 to the power of r. Okay, so I want to find the x term. Sorry, not the x term, x to the power 0 term. So these must equate into x to the power 0. Okay, so it's basically the same as what we did from the last video. So x 10 minus r, and here is multiply by x minus r equal to x to the power 0. Okay, so from the previous video, this 0 is just 2. Now we just equate this to 0, can already. So x 10 minus r plus negative r will be 10 minus 2r equal to x to the power 0. So this will be equal to this. Okay, so 10 minus 2r equal to 0. Okay, so 2r is equal to 10, and r is equal to 5. Okay, so my my term independent of x is when 10 choose 5. Okay, yeah. Alright, so let's find the term. Okay, so second thing, we put it inside. 10 choose 5. Then the 2, 10 minus 5 is just 5. Then the minus 1 bracket to the power of 5 is minus 1, right? Okay, then of course the x term is just x to the power 0. So where x to the power 0, you can don't put or put, doesn't matter. Okay, so the constant of this will be 10 choose 5, 32. Okay, so you should get about negative 8064. Okay, so this will be the term independent of x.